morning students. I hope all of you are doing well. As we know, math is the queen of sciences. Math is the most beautiful and the powerful creation of the God. As our honorable PM Modi ji says, कोरोना से डरना नहीं है, हराना है. In the same way, I would like to say, no need to afraid for mathematics. We will learn mathematics. And remember one thing, the best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Myself, Rupali Dheer, PGT Maths from KV3 Patiala is going to tell you how to find solution of linear equation in two variables by elimination method. Before moving to our topic, let's have a look of linear equation. A linear equation in two variables x and y is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b is not equal to 0. Let's have an example. 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Now there are different methods to solve a pair of the linear equations algebraically, like substitution method, elimination method, then cross multiplication method. Today I am going to discuss elimination method with you. As the name suggests, elimination, it means we have to eliminate something. Here something means we have to eliminate either of two variables x or y at one time. In this method, we eliminate one of the two variables to obtain an equation in one variable which can be easily solved. Then substitute this value in either of two equations, we will find the other variable. Clear? Now, what are the learning outcomes of this method? After the session, the students will be able to solve problems related to rate, distance and time, cost and demand, deciding on a loan, plans, trains and automobiles. Clear? Now, there are few examples. I am going to solve one example for you on the whiteboard. You can see we are given pair of linear equations in two variables, 3x plus 4y equal to 10, 2x minus 2y equal to 2. So let's solve these equations by elimination method on the whiteboard. First of all, write both the equations. 3x plus 4y equal to 10, 2x minus 2y equal to 2. These are two equations. You can eliminate any of the two variables at one time. I am going to eliminate variable y. Multiply equation 2 by 2. First equation as it is. Two 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, then 2 2 ja 4. Now I am going to add these two equations. 4 plus 3 7, plus 4 minus 4 cancels out. 10 plus 4 14. From here we can find our x comes out 2. Now I can find other variable by substituting in any of these two equations. I am using equation 1. 3x plus 4y equal to 10. Substitute x equal to 2. We will find y. You can see y comes out 1. Now we ourselves can check the authenticity of our result. X equal to 2, y equal to 1. This is a solution of the system of equation. Now I will check whether this is right or wrong. I am taking second equation. If after substituting these values, left hand side comes out equal to right hand side, it means this solution is correct. I am taking left hand side. 2 into 2, 2 into 1. 2 2 ja 4, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. it comes out equal to the right hand side. It means x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the right solution of given system of pair of linear equations. Let's solve another problem. 6x plus 5y equal to 11, 9x plus 10y equal to 21. You can eliminate any of the variable. Now I am going to multiply first equation by 2. You will get 12x plus 10y equal to 22. Second equation as it is. Now I will subtract equation 4 from 3. Change the signs. 12 minus 9 3, plus 10 minus 10 0, 22 minus 21 1. X comes out 1 by 3. As I told you, we can substitute in any of these two equations. Either now to find the value of y, I can use any of these equations. I am going to use first equation. Substitute x equal to 1 by 3, 5y equal to 11 minus 2, 5y equal to 9, y equal to 9 by 5. We can check whether the solution is right or wrong. I am going to take second equation, take left hand side, substitute these two values. 3 plus 18 21 and right hand side is also 21. So left hand side comes out equal to the right hand side. It means x equal to 1 by 3 and y equal to 9 by 5 is the solution of given pair of linear equations. After solving these two problems, let's solve the third problem. Cost of 5 notebooks and the 7 pencil is rupees 50, whereas cost of 7 notebooks and 5 pencil is rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 notebook and 1 pencil. So to solve the problem, first of all we have to take the variable x and y. Let cost of 1 notebook is rupees x and cost of 1 pencil is rupees y. So our equation becomes 5x plus 7y equal to 50 and second one 7x plus 5y equal to 46. You can eliminate any of the variables at one time. Multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 7. Again subtracting these two. When we multiply first by 5, it becomes 25x plus 35y equal to 250 and second equation becomes 49x plus 35y equal to 322. Subtract these two, we will get 24x equal to 72, then our x equal to 3. Now we have x with us. Next is to find y. Substitute the value of x in equation 2. You can see 5x plus 7y equal to 50. Substituting x equal to 3. 5 3 is 15 plus 7y equal to 50. From here I get y equal to 5. X equal to 3 and y equal to 5 is the solution of the given system of equations. Now what we have assumed x and y as: x cost of the one notebook and y cost of the one pencil. Now we can check the result by substituting in any of the two equations. I am using equation 1, 5x plus 7y equal to 50. Substituting x equal to 3 and y equal to 5 in the left hand side. You can see left hand side comes out. You can see left side comes out 50 and that is equal to the right hand side. So in this way we can say x equal to 3 and y equal to 5 is the right solution of our given system of equations. Now here is the flow chart, or we can say mind mapping, to recapitulate the topic that we have done today. How we are given two equations You can see y equal to 5x minus 3, and second one is 3x minus 8y equal to 24. First of all, I am going to ask whether they are in the standard form, yes or no. If yes, then we will proceed further. If no, then we will write the given equations in the standard form, and after that we will proceed with the same method as we have done in the previous 3 questions. You can see now there are few questions as the home assignment. These are very simple questions based on the elimination method, and you can solve it very easily. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.